The iPhone SE4 is expected to launch in early 2025, providing a budget-friendly option that incorporates features inspired by the premium iPhone 16 series. Currently, the iPhone 16 series represents Apple's latest and most powerful smartphone, but its high price makes it unaffordable for many buyers. This is where Apple's affordable iPhone SE series comes into play, offering an iOS experience at a more accessible price point. At the moment, the most affordable iPhone available is the iPhone SE3, which was released in 2022. However, Apple is anticipated to introduce the next generation iPhone SE soon, likely in early 2025. While Apple has not officially announced any details about the new iPhone SE4, online rumors provide hints about what we might expect. Let's explore what the iPhone 16 offers and how the iPhone SE4 could become a favorite option among users at its launch. The iPhone 16 is equipped with the advanced A18 chip, which is built on cutting-edge second-generation 3nm technology, delivering up to 30% faster processing speeds and an impressive 17% boost in memory bandwidth compared to earlier models. Complementing this powerful chip, the iPhone 16 features 8GB of RAM, enabling it to handle resource-intensive tasks such as high-end gaming and professional-grade video editing effortlessly. Similarly, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to come with the same A18 chip as the iPhone 16, along with an identical 8GB of RAM. This robust hardware combination is anticipated to provide seamless performance for multitasking, immersive gaming experiences, and running heavy applications without lag. As a result, both devices are expected to be on par in terms of processing capabilities, ensuring top-tier performance for a wide range of demanding tasks. The iPhone 16 is equipped with an impressive 48-megapixel main camera that supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision, delivering stunningly crisp and vivid visuals. It also features a 2x telephoto zoom achieved through a 12-megapixel sensor, ensuring sharper and more detailed shots even from a distance. With a wide focal length of 1.6 aperture, this camera is designed to excel in low-light conditions, capturing brighter and more natural-looking images. Apple has integrated innovative features like dedicated capture buttons and advanced touch gestures, making the process of taking photos and recording videos smoother, more intuitive, and highly user-friendly. Meanwhile, the upcoming iPhone SE4 is rumored to sport a significant upgrade with a 48MP camera, a considerable leap from the 12-megapixel camera found on the iPhone SE3. Although it is not expected to include the telephoto zoom capability available on the iPhone 16, the SE4 will still represent a remarkable advancement, likely incorporating cutting-edge AI-powered photography features to enhance overall photo quality and user experience. The iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. It also includes Face ID and Apple's Dynamic Island for improved navigation and enhanced security. The device is built with an aluminum frame, offering durability while remaining lightweight. In comparison, the budget-friendly iPhone SE4 is set to feature a 6.1-inch OLED display, a major upgrade from the LCD screens of earlier same models. Although it still has a 60Hz refresh rate, the switch to OLED will provide improved image quality with deeper contrast and richer blacks. The SE4's design will be more modern, featuring thinner bezels and a smaller notch for Face ID, replacing the old Touch ID fingerprint sensor. The SE4 is expected to have a front design similar to the iPhone 14 and a back design resembling the iPhone 16, making it more visually appealing. The iPhone 16 comes with a robust 3561 mAh battery, offering users a dependable power source for daily tasks and extended usage. In contrast, the more budget-friendly iPhone SE4 is rumored to include a slightly smaller but still impressive 3279 mAh battery, catering to those who prefer a more affordable option without compromising on battery capacity. Thanks to the highly efficient A18 chip, Apple's advanced engineering, and the inclusion of an OLED display, the iPhone SE4 is anticipated to deliver superior power efficiency, maximizing energy use to ensure the battery lasts comfortably throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Although the iPhone 16 didn't receive a lot of major upgrades this year, one of its most notable features is the integration of Apple Intelligence. This feature sets it apart, as aside from the iPhone 16 series and the iPhone 15 Pro models, no other iPhones are currently equipped with Apple Intel features. On the other hand, the upcoming iPhone SE4 is expected to play an essential role in bridging this gap by including all the advanced AI capabilities from the flagship iPhone 16 series. These features are specifically designed to boost productivity, enabling users to carry out everyday tasks with greater efficiency and ease. The SE4 is expected to provide full access to Apple's robust AI suite, which will make high-end functionality available to more budget-conscious users, offering a more affordable alternative without sacrificing performance. The base model of the iPhone 16 series comes with a starting price of $799, which places it beyond the budget of many people who are looking for a more affordable option. On the other hand, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to have a price range between $500 and $549, making it a more budget-friendly choice that appeals to a larger number of users who don't want to break the bank. From my perspective, aside from some new features like a dual camera setup and an updated capture button, the iPhone SE 4 offers nearly everything that the iPhone 16 does, all while saving you about $300. Why spend so much more money when you can enjoy almost the same performance and functionality at a fraction of the cost? What do you think? Which device would you opt for if you had to choose? I'd love to hear your opinions, so feel free to share them in the comments below. With all that said, I'll catch you all in the next video.